the cascading effects of consequences. There are few things I believe in more than the power of fitness and supportive nutrition. As a business owner, I feel there's no greater investment than one's business, but I feel there's no greater asset than one's health. Health and fitness is the tent post that holds everything else up. And so speaking to these cascading effects of consequences, yeah, I coach fitness and nutrition. But the thing of it is, you cannot compartmentalize your life. It's not as though you can say, I've got it all together in fitness and nutrition, and then other areas of your life are a mess, or that you got it all together here while your fitness and nutrition are a mess. I think that they are all intertwined, that no one thing can be divided from the other. And I really do feel that health is really one of the fastest paths to whatever it is that one wants. I know that the healthier I am, that I'm a better husband, I'm a better businessman, I'm a better coach, I'm a better citizen, I'm a better father. When my health is where it needs to be, or at least when I'm actively pursuing my health isn't where I want it to be. I am always achieving or wanting to achieve more and more. And so as I move toward that, though, as I'm pursuing that, all the other areas of my life seemingly are better as well. Confucius said, a man who has his health wants 1,000 things. A man who doesn't have his health wants one. And I think that's so true, that if you have your health, you can focus on so many other things. But when you get that report that your health is not good, or even worse, you've actually had an episode, if that's a heart attack, all you care about is life and living. So for me, it's about providing a way for people to be proactive, for them to start down this path of health before it's necessarily needed. It's always needed, but why do we have to wait for a bad report to come back? Why do we have to wait for someone we love to pass away because of poor health? Let's start that now. So for me, these cascading effects of consequences, focus on your health, focus on your fitness, and it starts to bleed over into other avenues to where you're going to be far more successful in those things as well. You know, you can't step on a plane without them saying that you first need to put on your oxygen mask before you put on someone else's. And I think that's true. Oftentimes, though, people neglect their own health because they're helping other people. But other people would be better served if you first put on your mask, if you first started taking care of your health. It's almost magical how if you carve out the time for training, that you actually seemingly find more hours in the day. So by investing that one, you may think at first, I can't afford to give this hour up. But as you start to invest that hour in your day, you find that, oh my gosh, I'm far more productive. I'm far more loving. I'm far more patient. I'm far more kind. All these things are added unto you simply because you focused on your health.